kings of our kingdom. Who? Who there? Who? I said who? Surrender to me. I have taken over. Surrender! Father. Surrender now!
Father! 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 What is wrong? Stop! No, Father!
Get her!
Father!
Get her!
No! 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 Father! Father! The Lord of Allah, leave me!
I am Ezugo One. I am the king of our kingdom, and everyone shall bow to me. Everyone. Take her to the dungeon and clear these dead bodies. No. Namdi! Thanks to the gods. Namdi, I was thinking you were among the ones taken by the invader.
Likewise you. I was so worried about you.
Namdi, I heard an invader invaded the palace, killed the king, and he's now in charge of the palace.
This breaks my heart. I wonder how an invader will come into our land and take what rightfully belongs to us. I wish there is something we can do about it. Something to prevent this.
Namdi, we cannot change the past. But we must do something. I believe we can do something, and something must be done. We need to do it fast to save this kingdom. Yes.
I have to talk to my sister. Yes. I have to talk to her, and I need to ask her if there's something we can do about this to prevent this calamity.
Namdi, if there's anything you have to do, do it fast and save the land. I am Ezogo, the one and only, greatest and most powerful. I am the king of this land, and all bow to me. Stop! Why does it smell? Why? Don't you know that all the maidens belongs to the king? Give her the clothes. Now! Leave! my heart.
Okay.
And wait for me. I am the king of this land, and all shall bow to me. Guards! Guards!
Ezugo, they had him man. Ezugo, they had him man. Ezugo,
Quiet! Quiet! Open your legs! Open your legs now! I command you! Open it wide! Open it wide! Quiet! Quiet! Get ready.
Ezugo has come again. Ezugo, they had him man. Ezugo, they had him man. Ezugo, they had him man. Ezugo, batano bodoe.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Have you forgotten why I brought you into this kingdom? You are supposed to be inflicting pains and terror to the people of this land. What are you doing, I'm asking you?
O Great One, I will not fail you. I will bring ruin and devastation upon this land. The kingdom of Agua will feel my wrath.
They are supposed to feel your wrath. It is your duty to make sure they suffer, they cry, they mourn, they... I do not want to repeat myself, Ezugo. Keep to our agreement. You are supposed to make them cry.
I will not disappoint you.
That is your work. Do it.
Oh, Great One, I will not disappoint. I will bring terror and darkness upon this land. Terror and darkness.
Please don't kill me. Please. Hey, whoa.
Hey! So, Ezra finally did this to me, eh? Ezra! Ezra! Hey! Mama, please don't do this to me. Please get up. Please get up. Hey! Hey! Ezra! My wife, please, don't do this to me. Please get up. Get up. Hey!
Ezugo, leave our land.
Leave and never return again.
The gods have rejected you.
In this forest. Ezeugwu, it is beneath you. I must find a settlement, even if I have to take it by force. This journey continues.
I have been watching you. I love your taste for power. I will give you whatever you want. That which you have always wanted is what I will give to you. I will make you a king. I will make you a king of our kingdom. A kingdom very close to Wanyeri Forest. Only on one condition. You will inflict pain and terror upon the land. You will bring darkness. Darkness. Make them suffer. Make them cry. I want to see the king of our kneel before you and beg you for forgiveness. I am Dikeh Ezugo. I love your taste for power. I want you to be what you want. If you can do that for me, then you are the king of Awa. Why? Because you need to have a base. You need to be a king of Awa. Follow me.
is our kingdom. Go into this kingdom. Kill. Destroy. Inflict terror and darkness upon this land. I stand with you. Go. Ah! Let them cry!
A man with a heart full of evil seeks to destroy our kingdom! Now! It has happened. It has happened! The calamity is already here. You must be stopped!
They had him man.
Father, give me strength. Because of our land, give me strength to overcome this. Give me strength. Father, please come for my rescue.
You murderer, the gods will visit you. You will never get away with this.
We shall see about that. As of today, you are mine. You belong to me. You are my property. And I will use you anyhow I please. You will grace my bed over and over again. Will I taste your deliciousness? The maidens will come and prepare you. Do well to remember that I am Ezugo and I get everything I want.
You will pay. You will pay for this. The gods will visit you in their anger. Abomination!
Ah, priestess, I've been waiting for you.
Where is Igwe Mbanefo?
He is dead. I killed him.
Ojadike, the Dibia, through you, you may have possessed this body, but I know your true form.
It's been a while. You think you can see through me? You think you can stop me?
I know your kind. I know your tricks and deceits. You may have fooled him, but you can never fool me.
We will see about that, priestess. We will see about that.
Dikeh, you have no relationship with our land. Your greed drove you out. And now you have possessed another greedy soul to destroy the peace of our land.
The head of the king rests beneath the throne. I sit upon the throne. I am king. You will only leave this palace if you agree to serve me, priestess.
Never. Light and darkness have nothing in common. I will never serve you.
Get her!
Over. It is far from being over. I will leave you in your darkness for now.
I am Ezugo, one, the greatest and most feared. I am the king of this land, and you all are beneath me. You all are my subjects, and I shall rule over you.
Ezugo, 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 they had him man, Ezugo.
Dikeh! You must pay for your sins. One with legs runs, and one with wisdom thinks. Nnamdi, I did not expect you to be here.
I came to inform you about the happenings of the kingdom. But I can see you know about it already. You are coming from the palace, are you not? There's a problem in our land. And that is why I am here. An invader came into our kingdom, killed our king, took over our throne. Now Ezugo has imposed laws on us. 90% of our farm produce will be sent to him. Our maidens will be sent to him to grace his bed. and our men will wrestle with their life to death.
I am aware of it. I have seen everything with my eyes. Ezugo's evil knows no bound.
That we need to do something. We need to do something fast. We cannot allow that evil man destroy our kingdom.
The gods are not asleep. They will fight this fight because it is their fight. And they will win. We just have to have faith in them and be patient. Ndidi, yakweje bilu. Evil has befallen our kingdom. A dibia that was banished years ago has returned.
I do not understand. What do you mean? What do you mean by has returned?
He has taken form in Ezugo's body, and his aim is to destroy the peace of our kingdom.
No. That cannot stand. A stranger cannot come into our kingdom, kill our king, and decide to take over our kingdom. Never!
Ezugo is not an ordinary man. He has been possessed by Dikeh's spirits. And his aim is to destroy the peace of our land and take his revenge.
We have to do something. We have to do something real fast. We cannot allow a stranger come into our kingdom and rule over us.
Nandi, we will. But for now, calm down. The gods are not asleep. I battled with him and I was unable to defeat him.
What? I never knew about this. Are you okay? Did he hurt you?
I am okay. I am fine. I will advise you to stay clear his path. He is very dangerous. I do not want any harm to come before you. Let the gods fight this battle.
I will.
And again, do not relate this to anyone. We do not know who to trust.
I won't.
Please, do take care of yourself as you return to your hearts and be safe. My greetings to Ifoma.
Ifoma, can you believe what Igwe Ezeugwu has decreed? He wants every household to bring their daughters to the palace one by one.
Adana, I know. It's terrifying. I'm still wondering when it will get to my turn. Now I don't...
Do you know that I can't imagine the thought of him touching me. He's so annoying.
I know. Same with me. But we do not have a choice, do we? Anyone who dares to reject him will be killed. What do we do? I don't want to do this, ghost of our land, please.
May the gods of our land protect us from him.
You see...
You know what? It's getting late. Let's just go, please. I'm tired and I'm not happy.
You will learn to obey me. I say you will learn to obey me. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now, get inside. Get inside now. Now.
Priestess Ihumo, I see that you have come to swear your allegiance to me.
Swear allegiance to you? A murderer? Never!
Oh, I see. You are still defiant.
You think you can force a young man to fight each other to death? I will not sit back and watch that happen.
Priestess Ihumo, you are so passionate about your people, but it's too late to stop the fight now. It is already scheduled to happen today.
It will never happen because I will not let it happen!
You cannot stop me, priestess! And anyone who refuses to come out to fight will face my wrath! You think your little tricks can harm me? I am beyond your power! Beyond your power!
You may have Dikeh's power, but you will never have the people's respect.
I do not need their respect. I am Igwe now, and I will rule anyhow I choose, and no one can stop me. I am Ezugo.
Ezugo. The gods are not asleep. They will soon visit you with their rods.
I am shaking. I am shaking with fear. But I think your gods are deep in sleep. And by the time they wake up, it will be too late.
A bent tree cannot be straightened with just a blow. You will reap what you have sown. You will pay for your arrogance, Ezugo.
Priestess, I am just leaving you for now. But mark my words, I will get you soon. Very soon.
Gods of my forefathers, I am begging for your mercy. My people, your people, they are suffering under the reign of Igwe Ezugo. Gods of my forefathers, have mercy upon us. Do the larry. If it is our sin that has brought this upon us, please show us your mercy. Gods of my forefathers, gods of my ancestors, raise up for us a son of the soil, that will stand Igwe Ezugo and defeat him. Let this deliverer bring peace and harmony to our kingdom. Let the light of your sun shine on us and take away every form of darkness that has befallen our kingdom. Let your word be made manifest, the good word you have for us, your people, your children. Let your power be unleashed. Grant us justice. gods of my forefathers, I plead with you today to please restore our lost glory and give us victory. So shall it be.
Have the gods said something about the problem of the land?
I am still pleading with them to answer.
You are still pleading? How long will you continue to plead? Until all the youths of our kingdom are dead? Until all our maidens are sacrificed to Ezugo for his pleasure?
Nnamdi, your words are blasphemy. You might incur the wrath of the gods.
I do not care about the wrath of the gods. Injustice has been done. Ezugo demands 90% of our farm produce to be given to him, leaving us with just 10%. What kind of justice is that?
Nnamdi, you have to tread carefully. The words you speak are dangerous.
I have said my piece, and I mean it. Ifoma might be the next maiden to be given to Ezugo for his pleasure. I might be paired tomorrow to fight with someone. It is either I kill the person, or the person might kill me. I do not want to be a killer.
Nnamdi, do not say such words.
If the gods do not do something about this, I will do it myself. I shall not watch my people suffer.
Nnamdi, this fight is for the gods. Nnamdi! Let the gods fight their fight!
Ezugo, they had a man. Ezugo, Ezugo, batano bodo Nwata mokenye achiri obi n'aka. Ezugo, batano bodo oke no ya ngwere n'ụzọ.
You defend. You attack. Just like this. You fall back. How do you see my moves?
Why are you laughing?
Nnamdi, I was thinking before now that we have been practicing wrestling, doing all this for fun. But right now it seems to me that we are practicing for war.
I know what you mean, Ogonna. I do.
Are you sure? Listen, Nnamdi. Every day of my life, I go to bed in fears. Listen, the fear of being paired with someone to wrestle, to fight, to death. The fear of killing someone and being killed.
I understand how you feel. I can't shake that thought either. The fact that Ifoma could be dragged to grace the bed of that wicked king, King Ezugo, is one thing that I cannot bear.
Nande, my fear is that the gods are silent over this. Like we are being punished for a crime we did not commit. I'm just trying to be a man.
Oganda, my friend, one thing I know for sure is that we shall come out victorious. Yes, the gods are not sleeping.
Maidens of our kingdom, what brings you here?
Priestess, please help us. We cannot take it anymore.
Ezugo has taken 90% of our farm produce, leaving us barely with nothing to eat.
He has been using us the maidens to entertain himself and to satisfy his lustful desires.
And he made our men to fight themselves to death.
I am aware of your plight. I had an encounter with Ezugo. We had a fierce battle, but I will never back down. Never.
Please, priestess, we have nowhere else to run to. Please, help us.
We are scared. We are all waiting for our turn to be used or killed. The kingdom is in fear. We are paralyzed with terror.
The gods are not asleep. This fight is theirs. They will intervene and conquer. Go home. Gods of our land! I beseech you today. Please hear our cry and end the clutches of tyrants.
Priestess Ihumwo, what brings you to my palace?
I come in peace.
In peace? I very much doubt that.
Ezugo, I have come to reason with you. The 90% you collect from my people is suffocating them. Our maidens, they live in fear. Is this how you lead?
You dare question my leadership? You whom the gods have forsaken?
You are not a true leader. A true leader puts his people first. But you are nothing but a tyrant.
What do you know about leadership, priestess? What do you know about leadership? You who has been reduced to begging.
Is this how you plan to earn their respect and loyalty?
I need no one's approval. No one! Anyone who refuses my command will face my wrath. Now, priestess, leave this moment. Leave. I am expecting a guest. A beautiful maiden who will grace my bed. I'm sure you do not know what that is about.
A tortoise do not walk noisily. It walks quietly. Retreat a step before it will be too late.
Leave! Leave now!
Ezugo, Ezugo, Ezugo has come again. Ezugo, 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 they had him man. Ezugo, 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 they had him man. Ezugo.
Ah, Adana. You look lovely.
Greetings, Igwe Ezugo.
You are welcome, my dear. I've been waiting for you.
Common maiden defy me. How dare she? Go! Fetch Ifoma and bring her before me. Now! No one defies me and lives to tell the tale. No one! Where is she?
Igwe.
Where is Ifoma?
Nnamdi refused to hand her over.
Refused? Refused? How dare he? How dare he defy me?
Igwe, he used some charms to keep us out. And he said you should come and fetch her yourself, Igwe.
Ah! Nnamdi defies my order. How dare he defy my command? I will not stoop so low as to go into his compound. I will deal with Nnamdi later. Now, I want you to secretly mount guard outside his compound. Don't let him see you. When Ifoma leaves, kidnap her and bring her to me. Don't return until you have her. Go now!
Obim, I beg in the name of the gods, I do not want you to go. Igwe Ezugo's men might be watching you. Please.
My love, I need to go home. My family will be worried.
I don't want anything to happen to you, please. Obim, Biko.
Do not worry.
Nothing will happen to me. I'll be back soon, please. Please.
It's alright. Obin, please hurry back if you see anyone watching you.
I will.
I just saw a great good gas dragging your betrothed to the palace now.
What did you say?
I said I saw them dragging your to the palace.
Why has the gods been silent? Why have the gods allowed that tyrant to take over this kingdom? Why have they kept quiet on this abomination?
Nandi, what is it? Gona, what is the problem? What is wrong with my brother?
Ifoma is dead.
What?
The king killed her because she refused to
grace his bed. Ezugo! My brother. Namdi.
Tell the gods. Talk to the gods. Tell them to stop this tyranny. Tell them to stop this abomination. Else I'll be left with no choice than to do that myself.
Ogona, please, do not leave my brother alone. Please watch him closely. Please.
Namdi! Namdi!
Ezugo! Ezugo! You must pay for your sins.
Something about Ezugo before he kills us all.
Yes, Nnamdi, you're right. Listen, I know it hurts. I know it's painful, losing Ifoma to that Ezugo. is really painful. But I want you to know that we cannot fight Ezugo alone. We cannot.
We cannot sit and do nothing. The gods won't help us. The gods has abandoned us to our fate. We have to rise as men.
Nnamdi, I know it hurts. I know you are pained. I understand everything. But I want you to know that the gods will do their job. Yes, definitely, they will do their job.
Their job? What job? All the gods has been doing is to sit down, watching Ezugo destroy the lives of our people.
Nnamdi, like I said, I understand how you feel. I understand the pains going through your mind. But be very careful. Nnamdi, be very careful before you incur the wrath of the gods.
I do not care about the wrath of the gods. I do not care about the gods. What is worse than what I have experienced now? Living the life of the only woman I have loved. Do you know how that feels? The gods has abandoned us. We must rise and fight.
Ezugo! Ezugo, you have brought unbearable pains on Nnamdi. You have killed the love of his life.
Ifeoma defied my orders, my command. She deserved her death.
Ezugo, for these pains you have inflicted on my brother, you will suffer. You will suffer greatly. I will be the one to kill you.
Nnamdi is your brother. This is getting interesting.
You will beg for mercy, but it will be too late.
You think you can kill me? I am the most powerful man in the kingdom.
You may be powerful, but I have the gods by my side, and they will guide my hands when I strike it to death.
Let your sleeping gods come! Let them come!
Ezugo, they had him.
Yes? What is it?
Ezugo bata n'obodo nwata mokenye achịrị obi n'aka. Ezugo bata n'obodo oke nọ ya ngwere n'ụzọ.
No. 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 When I was coming to your hut.
Likewise, me. What's wrong?
I got a message from the palace.
Cindy, I still got a message from the palace. Namely, I shall fight you.
You and I?
Ezugo has come again. Ezugo, 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 they had a man. Ezugo, 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 they had a man. Ezugo, 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 they had a man. Ezugo, Ezugo, batano.
I was going home, but I could not shake off the feelings. I have to come. I have to come here.
I know. Oganda, I am scared.
Listen, I don't want to fight you.
I do not want to fight you neither.
Namdi, I understand. But we don't have a choice here. The only way to win this fight is that you must kill me or I kill you. One person must die.
I know. That is the cruel law Ezugo has brought upon us. Sadly, we must face it.
And also we are stuck with this law. We are stuck with it.
I recently lost the love of my life, and I might lose my best friend. It's like Ezugo have me in his sight. Everything he does boils down to me.
Namdi, yes, I am your friend now. I know how you feel right now. I know how painful it is. But we have no choice. We have no choice.
I will have to go and see my sister. Yes, I will go and see her and seek for a solution. Maybe she could stop this fight.
Namde, you think she can stop this fight?
I do not know. But I have to try. Ihoma, I need your help. The gods must give us a solution.
The gods are yet to answer. But I am sure that very soon they will answer us.
But I have to fight my friend tomorrow. I cannot kill my friend. My childhood friend.
There is little I can do.
Ihumo, you know I just lost my love, Ifeoma. I lost her in the hands of Ezugo. And now, I might lose my only best friend? Can't you see I am being torn apart?
I know how you feel. I know the pain in your heart. And I also know how much you love the former.
And now I am being forced to fight my friend. This is too much for me to bear.
I can help you with the charm to win the fight.
No! No! I cannot use charm to fight my friend. I will fight him. If Ogonna wins me and I die, then so be it.
Ezugo! I know what you are trying to do.
What are you talking about, priestess?
Do not play dumb with me. Leave my brother out of this.
The fight has been going on for a while. Is your brother not a youth from this kingdom? It's his turn to participate.
Ezugo, leave my brother out of this. If anything happens to my brother, I will hold you responsible. Ezugo, I will kill you.
You did not stop others from participating. What makes your brother different?
I have said my piece. Onyamotin, Yano. If anything happens to my brother, you will pay with your blood.
It's time to make my next move.
Let the fight begin! Fight!
Stop! This fight must not happen!
Ah! How dare you! How dare you disrupt the king's event! Ah!
Please! My kid, please! Please!
Let the fight continue!
Namdi, I'm sorry. But we just have to fight. Forgive me. Forgive me, please. It's not your fault. The deal has been done. I'll be too. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Please. Please. Goodbye. No. 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 No.
This is how you raise strong men! Warriors! Good! Namdi, your household is proud of you.
Gods of my ancestors, gods of my forefathers, I have come unto you to plead for your mercy. We have once defeated and banished Dikeh from our kingdom for the sake of peace and harmony. That is what we want from you again, because he has returned in another form to destroy the peace of our kingdom and take his revenge. You are seeing all this. Please fight this fight. Only you can fight this and conquer. We cannot do it on our own. You are our intercessor. Gods of my forefathers, hear our cry. Our people live in fear. Please put a stop to all this and take away this darkness that has covered our kingdom. Gods of my forefathers, hear my cry. No, Namdi, you do not have to do this. It is very dangerous.
You need to hear me first. I want to be close to Igwe Ezugo.
No, I do not support it. Please, have a change of mind.
I cannot do that. I have made up my mind. I will be fine.
If you insist, then I'll give you something for protection. Please, you have to be careful. You are the only family I have left. And you know Ezugo hates us both.
I do. I know. I shall be careful. And nothing will happen to me.
Just be careful. The gods are with you.
I have come to seek your blessings. I wish to join your palace guards and serve our kingdom.
Nnamdi, have you come to surrender or your sister sent you to spy on me?
No. No, Igwe. I have come on my own free will. I only wish to serve our kingdom and to protect our people.
Nnamdi.
Igwe.
Whatever your intentions are, know that you cannot harm me. I am Igwe, and I will not be threatened by a mere mortal.
Igwe, I mean no harm. I only wish to serve our people.
Very well. I will let you join the palace guards. But remember, I'm always watching, and I will not hesitate to strike you if you betray me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you, Igwe. Igwe! Thank you.
Gods of my ancestors, Chukwuki Kabiama, hear my cry. Hear the cry of your people, your children. Grant me all the wisdom that I need, O gods of my ancestors.
Of our land, I plead for fertility and the progress of this kingdom. I ask for our river to flow freely and for our crops to grow strong. Gods of our land, grant us harmony and peace. Take my blood in replace of all of this, I ask. I sacrifice my blood. Please, bless my land. Bless the land of Agua. Take my blood. Take my blood. Your Highness, the King of Agua Kingdom. Yes. The gods have spoken. They demand a bounty from our harvest.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Your Highness, the gods demand a share from our harvest. Your Highness, to ensure the fertility of our land and the progress of the people.
And what portion are they demanding?
They are demanding for 70% of our harvest. That you must bring to the shrine before night falls.
70%?
70% must be brought to the shrine.
I don't believe it.
70%!
I don't believe it. I'm not sure of this. I am not sure of what he's saying. No, can't be 70%.
Your Highness, you summon on Dikeh. I am here.
Yes, I summoned you for one reason. My people are suffering. The 70% demanded by the gods is too much for them to bear. I plead with you to intercede on our behalf.
Why? Why will I do that? You are the king of this kingdom. How dare you? The decision of the gods cannot be changed. They have taken their decision and it must be done the same way. They need the 70%, Your Highness.
Dikeh, I still maintain that my people are suffering. Please, plead on their behalf.
Your Highness, I cannot plead on your behalf. I cannot. You are the king and you want to go against the worst of the gods. Why? Why do you want to cause pain? Why do you want to cause premature death? Why do you want to cause agony to the people of this kingdom? Why? You dare go against the wish of the gods. Your Highness, you should be able to know that the gods are doing their work. I cannot plead. I cannot. Your Highness, the 70% must be brought. 70% of the harvest must be given to the gods. Do not attract the wrath of Itemele. Do not! If you dare, then I will watch you die!
70% is too much for my people to bear. No, I can't live to see them go through this pain. After all, I am the king of this great kingdom. Dikeh must be banished. Gas! Go and call the elders for me.
Why you people talking to me like that? Why? Why?
You are hereby banished from our kingdom. Go into the forest. Bear children. You have no relationship with us anymore. Nekeni, Ukwe, Leishi, Ingomeko. Light and darkness has no connection.
You cannot get away with this. I will make Agua cry. They will look for Dikeh, but they will not see me. They will bow before me and ask me for forgiveness, but I will not forgive them. I will make sure they cry. Darkness will cover the surface of this land. The war just started. I will tell you why I am called Dikeh.
Priestess.
What brings you here?
Priestess Ihumwo, I would like to have a word with you.
Yes!
Let go of me! No!
Yes!
Ah!
Yes!
God,
Yes!
stop my leg!
This shall be your end!
Ezugo! Finally! This is your end. You never knew that my virginity will be your end. Nambi, it is finally over.
Yes! Finally! Ezugo has been defeated!
My dear people of our kingdom, I greet you. Today marks a new beginning. Today is indeed a happy day. Our days of suffering, sorrow, and pain are over. As your new Igwe, I promise to hear your voices. I promise to hear your concern and make sure every soul in this kingdom is fine. The people of our kingdom shall be built on justice, equality, and love. Go out there and tell all the noble men of this kingdom to come back to their land. For our kingdom is victorious.
A new era has begun. May Igwe Nnamdi lead and rule us with wisdom and understanding.
Go to your hearts, my people. Enjoy yourself. Marry and do new things. May the gods be with you all. Release her.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for the torture. He will take good care of you.
Ezugo has come again. Ezugo, 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 they had him man. Ezugo, 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 they had him man. Ezugo, 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 they had him man. Ezugo, Ezugo, bata n'obodo nwata mokenye achịrị obi n'aka. Ezugo, bata n'obodo oke nọ ya ngwere n'ụzọ. Anyị emere gị gịnị ajọ nwa Ezugo? Anyị emere gị gịnị Ezugo, gịnị na-eme? Ezugo, 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 they had him man. Ezugo,